Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limits and continuity. A. State the definition of the continuity of a function at a point. So number 1, f a, the value exists. Number 2, limit when x approaching a from the left for the function fx is equals to limit when x approaching a from the right for the function fx. And we can say that limit when x approaching a for the function fx exists. Number 3, fa is equals to limit when x approaching a for the function fx. So the value are the same. Then only we can make the conclusion fx is continuous at x is equals to a. So hence, find the value of d such that the function fx is continuous at x is equals to 0. So kindly illustrate the situation in a real number line. Since they already mentions that x is equals to 0 is continuous. So kindly focus on the function. For the left hand side, we have exponent 3x plus with the d. For the right hand side, we have 3x plus with the 5. Then if it is equals to 0, by using the function on the left. Find the value of d such that the function fx is continuous at x is equals to 0. So when they say continuous, meaning that limit when x approaching 0 from the left, we have the function exponent 3x plus with the d, are the same limit when x approaching 0 from the right for the function 3x plus with the 5. Kindly substitute the value. So exponent d is equals to 5. So in here, d is equals to ln 5. Kindly refers to b. A function f is defined by the situation. So kindly illustrate the situation in a real number line. So here we have the value 1. So x less than equals to 1. So here we have the x squared minus 1. Next we have x greater than 1. So here we have k multiplied with x minus 1. So that is the situation. Determine the value of k if the f is, number 1, continuous for all the value of x. Number 2, differentiable for all the value of x. So number 1, continuous for the all value of x. So since they mentions that it is continuous, so limit when x approaching 1 from the left for the function, we have the x squared minus 1 is equals to limit when x approaching 1 from the right for the function k x minus 1. So kindly substitute and we will obtain 0 for the left and we will obtain 0 as well for the right. Saying that k are all real number, or we can say negative infinity until infinity, because value of k won't affect the limit. Continue. Determine the value of k if f is differentiable for all the value of x. So kindly refers to the formula limit when x approaching a. For the function, we have the fx minus the fa over x minus a. So limit when x approaching 1 from the left. So refers to the function on the left. So we have x squared minus 1 minus with the fa. So if you substitute the f1, we will have 0 over x minus a. So in here the a is equals to 1. So if we substitute the value 1, we will obtain the 0 over 0, which is the indeterminate form. So here we have 3 situations. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorize. Number 3, by using the long division. So for this case, my suggestion will be factorize the situation. So limit when x approaching 1 from the left. We have the x squared minus 1. So we can factor become x minus 1, x plus with the 1 over, we have x minus 1. Notice that we have a common terms. So rewrite the situation. Limit when x approaching 1 from the left. So we have x plus with the 1. So finally, the value of y will be approaching 2. Next, focus on the right hand side. Limit when x approaching 1 from the right. Focus on the function fx. So here we have k multiplied with x minus 1. Minus the f1, again we have the 0. Then x minus 1. So if we substitute the value 1, we will obtain 0 over 0. where we have the indeterminate form. So for this case, rewrite the situation first. Then we have k multiplied with x minus 1 over x minus 1. And we can simplify limit when x approaching 1 from the right, then we have the k. So since we said that it is differentiable for all the value of x, so meaning that limit when x approaching 1 from the left, we have x plus 1. It's the same with limit when x approaching 1 from the right, for the k. So k is equals to 2.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.